Hello everybody, today I would like to talk about physics in Python Adventure, the concept of projectile motion. In Python, play to a menton ball towards a small target ball called the jack or Arconet. To low accurately, players must shoot the right angle, the right speed, in some time, the right spin. Projectile motion explain how the ball travels in the air and the path of the ball is a parabola. If the player throws it a higher angle, the ball goes higher and fall steeply. If they throw it a lower angle, the ball goes straighter and mellow faster. Physics also explains friction and impact. When the ball lands, friction with the ground slows it down. When the ball hits another ball, momentum transfer can put the after ball away from the target. It really like understanding projectile motion, it must control force, angle, and precision. This knowledge is useful not only in sport but also in activities that require immense flowing or planning movement. So Python is not only a researching sport but also a real life classroom for physics. Thank you for listening.